You're listening to Mr. English Podcast by Mr. English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Grammar in Real Conversation, an English learning series from Mr. English Podcast.
Hi, everyone.
Before we start, tell us in the comments, how long have you been learning English?
And don't forget to leave your feedback to help us improve the next episode.
Today, we're talking about a grammar topic that many learners find confusing.
Yes, present perfect and present perfect continuous.
These two are very similar, but they focus on different things.
So today, we'll start with a natural conversation, then explain the grammar step by step, and finally give you another short conversation for practice.
Let's begin.
John, how long have you been working on this podcast?
I've been working on it for about 2 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. And how many episodes have you made so far?
I've made more than 50 episodes.
That's impressive. Have you learned a lot from this experience?
Yes, I have. I've learned a lot about teaching and communication.
I can see that. You've improved a lot.
Thanks. What about you? How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying English since I was a child.
That explains a lot. Your English sounds very natural.
Thank you. But I've also been practicing every day recently.
That's great. What have you been focusing on lately?
I've been working on my pronunciation and listening skills.
That's a smart approach.
And you? What have you been doing recently?
I've been creating new content and planning future episodes.
Sounds like you've been very busy.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, now let's talk about the grammar.
Good idea.
First, let's look at this sentence. I've made more than 50 episodes.
This is present perfect.
Right. We use present perfect to focus on the result.
So here, the important thing is the number of episodes, the result.
Now let's look at this sentence. I've been working on it for 2 years.
This is present perfect continuous.
Right. We use this tense to focus on the process or duration.
So here, the important thing is the time, 2 years.
Here's the main idea.
Present perfect, focus on result. Present perfect continuous, focus on process or duration.
Let's look at these examples. 1. I have read 3 books. Focus on result. 2. I have been reading for 2 hours. Focus on duration.
She has finished her work. Result. She has been working all day. Process.
For present perfect continuous, we often use for, since, lately, recently. These words help us talk about time and duration.
Jessica, how long have you been living in your current city?
I've been living here for about 5 years.
And how many places have you lived in before?
I've lived in 3 different cities.
That's interesting. Have you been traveling a lot recently?
Yes, I have. I've been traveling quite a bit this year.
That sounds exciting. What have you learned from your trips?
I've learned a lot about different cultures.
That's great.
Let's review the key idea one more time.
We use present perfect to focus on results.
And we use present perfect continuous to focus on duration or process.
So when you speak, ask yourself,
Do I want to talk about the result?
or do I want to talk about how long something has been happening?
That will help you choose the right tense.
Thanks for listening to Grammar in Real Conversation.
We hope this episode helped you understand these 2 tenses more clearly.
And don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments.
It really helps us make better episodes for you.
See you in the next episode.